Hey, what's going on? Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Welcome everybody. Quick little live stream. I'm not going to be on so long today. If you're just getting on, hit the like button. I really appreciate that. Also, type in the chat if you can hear me and see me. Again, we're going live from mobile, and I want to make sure that you can hear me and see me. So as you're jumping on, just type in the chat really quickly that everything is good and you can hear me all good. What's up, Will? Make sure the audio is okay and the video is okay. Before I started my day, I was just playing around. I'm excited about the new truck, obviously, still. What's up, Rich? Awesome. Thanks for the feedback. And I just wanted to go live really quickly and show you that I'm thinking of doing some pinstriping. Thank you, Francis. Justin, thank you. You guys are awesome. Hit the like button before you forget. Okay. Quick video. I'm only going to be on 10 minutes max. Okay. If you're thinking of pinstriping your car, your classic car, whatever you're doing, right? Make sure you use a little bit of window cleaner on your panel before. So what I did was I sprayed this along the side of the truck. I wiped it down. And I think for beginners, a quick and easy way to get into the vinyl game, pinstriping game, is by using some pinstripe. And I show you how to do this in detail in VIP as well. I use Pro Stripe here. It's a vinyl pinstripe, okay? Black pinstripe. And it's always a good key to follow the body lines, all right? You always want to follow body lines when you're doing pinstriping. And it's fun because if you make a mistake, if you screw up, all you got to do is just peel it back off and start all over. The only thing you're wasting and losing is vinyl pinstripe. And I don't even think you're wasting time because as you do it, you're learning, right? So here's what I did. I goofed up on the front, so I totally took the pinstriping off. I'm going to redo it. But this is the body line that I want to do. And what I want to point out is the body line comes through here, right? It comes into part of the fender, and then it disappears like right in here. It's gone. There's no body line. The body line actually is the bottom body line here for the wheel, the basic wheel well shape. It kind of, follows the body line of this mud guard here, right? So what I want to do is just come here and I'm going to fade into a point right around here. I'm going to fade it in because there's no sense to keep going forward when there's no body line, right? So I'm going to fade it in right around here, right where the body line ends, and I'm coming back here. Okay, I came back to the back of the truck, and I didn't want to go, see how the body line comes up and it just goes around the back window cab, right? It just goes up into the cab. So I didn't want to basically go all the way around. I wanted to end it cool, like on a point. So I'm thinking something like this. If I don't like the way it looks, I can always peel it back, redo it, maybe point it out around here. But I kind of like that lick, that final lick that goes up like that. What do you guys think? If you guys like that, let me know. So that's how basically this side of the truck looks, right? You can see how it kind of licks up at the end here. I like that. Just maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches past this main curve here, right? And then it comes through. The front is going to look nice as well. I'm going to put a nice arrow point in here. It's going to be like an arrow point. Okay, so just imagine that. Arrow point there. And then across the side on the body line, lick up to the back there, right? It looks really good. It's all on the body line. And then the back here, right? It starts again from the bottom around here, okay? Because there's no body line on the back of the truck. It's just the shape of this mud guard kind of. It just comes in like this. So what I was thinking of doing was, I don't have to do the bed. You don't have to do the bed. It could be just the cab, the fender, the 2 doors, and that come up in there. The back could be left alone. But I was thinking, just playing with it, seeing how it looks. Start from down in here, right? And then come up. Follow this, but just go straight, and then have another one come down a little, and then lick it up like this, and then get rid of this line. So it'll go straight under this off-road sign, come down a little, and then follow it up like this. I think that'll look sick. I will show it to you when I do it. But that's the main tip. When you're doing pinstriping, I'm talking about pinstriping, you want to follow the body lines, okay? And there's a couple of ways to do it, like I said. And then finally, when you're done, you get a razor blade and you cut off the excess here and all of there. So that's it. I just wanted to show you that really quickly, that I wanted to come in and play with the truck for a little bit this morning before I got to work. Made some videos for VIP and worked on some other things. Also, I hooked up my GoPro in the truck. Don't think I showed that to you yet. But if you can see here, I got my GoPro hooked up on my dash. I had these extra stickers, so I stuck it here. So now when I'm making videos while I'm driving, I could hook up my GoPro here. It also came with a GoPro connection. Let me take this off. It also came with a GoPro connection stock on the truck up here, right over here. So if I want to hook it up here while I'm four-wheeling, boom, it hooks up right here, which is pretty cool. And this connection came stock. They even made a indentation in the, a black part in the window here, this little, so it could be stuck. Pretty cool, right? So that's that. So I'm super excited. I can't wait to make new videos in the truck and all that. So anyway, thanks for jumping on. Quick 10-minute video. It's not even 10 minutes. It's 6 minutes. If you want, I can stay on for a couple of minutes, answer some Q&A. But just watch some of your videos. Really good work, man. Keep it up. Thank you, Justin. Appreciate it. So yeah, I will be playing around with this later on. I just wanted to do a quick update on it with the pinstriping. Right? If I don't like it, I could peel it right off. And that's that. So hit the like button. Appreciate it. If you want to learn more about customization, auto body, and paint, go to learnautobodyandpaint.com and go download your free auto body manual. A lot of people think the auto body manual is not free. Thank you, Juan. Henry, thank you. But it is free, 100% free. Put in your email, and it's basically an 85-page auto body manual that you could download and print it out if you want to. A lot of free info in there on auto body, painting, customization, sandpaper grits, air pressures, PSI, paint systems. Everything's in there if you're a car guy and you want to start screwing around with your car and doing some custom stuff to it. All right? Oh, another thing. I ordered all-weather basic interior floor mats for it. I got the TRD Pro front grille for it. It's all coming in, and when that all comes in, we're going to be putting on all the mods. And here's some of the sticky stuff. I'm basically going to document the whole process, all the cool mods that we do to this thing, make it look nice. I'm even thinking of getting rid of the chrome. Maybe I'll just plasti dip the chrome on the back here. I ordered the decal inserts for the Tacoma back here. And I could order, and I want to take off this Toyota Denton sticker here. I don't want that. I might replace it with a 4x4 blacked out. Here I could take this V6 out if I don't want it and put something else there, or just black the V6 out. I'm thinking of going with kind of a black and orange look. I think that'll look pretty good. This Tacoma, I don't know. I could take it off and black it and put it back, or keep it chrome. I don't know. I kind of like the chrome, so I hate to black everything out, but I know staying consistent makes everything look better, But hey, it already has black and chrome all over it, so I guess a little bit won't be bad. So anyway, thanks for watching. I will see you later. Watch the replay if you're just getting on. We just talked about pinstriping, a couple of tips and tricks that you could do. Follow body lines. You never mess up. You just gain experience, and you waste a little bit of vinyl. That's the worst that can happen, right? So again, it's Tony. Hit the like button. Enjoy your day too. Can I wash my truck? I just got new paint 2 days ago. I would wait another 2-3 days, let it cure, and then you could wash it. After a paint job, I would wait 5 to 7 days before you start doing anything to it. Unless it's a customer car and you got to get it out of the shop, you could basically color sand and buff it right away. All right. So, guys, if any of you, what does it say? 5 days. Anyway, for all of you guys who want to learn how to make extra cash on YouTube, I just wrote a new book called Tube Cash. Check it out on Amazon and pick up a copy. All right, it's everything that I'm doing right now with YouTube and with my online assets that make me. Sorry, we got cut off. I got a phone call. Every time I get a phone call, the YouTube just it freezes out. So sorry about that. So check out my new book, Tube Cash, on Amazon. Pick up a copy if you want it. It's all about learning how to make extra cash or a full-time living from YouTube, just like I do. So again, it's Tony. Talk soon. See you guys. Check out labap.com, learnautobodyandpaint.com if you want to learn more. And I'll see you soon. Ciao, guys. Cheers. Have a great day. Keep smiling. And I'll see you on later. Bye-bye.